So hey Leah, what's the seven income streams?
Glad you asked. There's a lot of buzz going on around the seven income streams. So basically, you have your earned income, profit income, interest income, dividend income, rental income, capital gains, and your royalty income. So you might say, what's all this income? First one, earned income. That's what we know. That's the job. You get your salary, that's earned income. Profit income, you buy and you sell products, goods and services. That's profit income. Interest income is when you actually lend out your money, like financial institutions. You lend out your money, you get it back with some more interest. Dividend income, people who like to buy stocks. You buy stocks, the stocks pay dividends, quarterly, monthly, yearly, some of them. That's your dividend income. Rental income, if you rent out your property. And believe it or not, rental income is not only about having a house. You can have equipment and rent it out and make money. You're participating in rental income. Capital gains, when assets appreciate in value. So you have a house, a piece of land, something that's an asset. Stocks is an asset. If that goes up, you have capital gains included. Royalty income, you created a product, an idea, a process, and you have people use it, you get royalties. That's why Michael Jackson's estate right now is making real money and he's not even here.